I like working at SASD because every day is different. Every day is challenging and rewarding at the same time. I wake up excited to go to school because I don't know what the day's going to be like, and that's fun.
One of the reasons I really enjoy working here at SASD is, first and foremost, the family community is fabulous. You couldn't ask for a more supporting group of people. But the school district itself really is kind of a forward-moving company. They're always looking for taking it up a level to the next step, and we're willing to change. We don't just allow things to stay the same because it's what we've always done. We do our research, we go out and we observe others, and we bring that learning back here to our community.
The one thing I really like about Stoughton Area School District is it's such a welcoming environment. So from the day I started, I felt like my contributions were important. I work with a great team. From day one, anytime I had questions, someone was always there to answer them. The other piece that was so important to me when I first interviewed for this role was work-life balance. And that's something that they have delivered on.
We here at the district really value having a strong culture, and that culture consists of employee voice, student voice, and really having opportunities for collaboration amongst staff.
From the multiple professional learning opportunities that are afforded here in Stoughton, to the team time that we get to work together to make sure that we are doing what's best for students. No matter what aspect you're looking at, we are here for each other, for our students, for our community, and for our district.